We all recall the event that happened at Imezi Owa in Ezagu local government area of Enugu State yesterday, being Friday 8, where some media houses are already trying to blame IPOB and ESN for everything that happened.
This message, this particular video is for Igbo people, and you people should not ignore this video because it is very, very important for you guys to understand what our sister is trying to say, because this thing that is happening right now in Enugu State, Nigerian media and Nigerian government have proposed it that what is going on is being done by ESN and the Biafra Liberation Army. So just take some your time and listen to this our sister and see what she's trying to say, because our people are too quick to blame ESN instead of blaming Nigeria soldiers and Nigeria government. They are there blaming ESN, telling the neighboring community that ESN are the one doing that. Please listen to our sister and drop your opinion in the comment section, because Igbo people need to wise up and do the right thing. ESN are not the one buying people. ESN are not the one doing that. Instead, Nigerian soldiers are the one doing that. Thank you as we watch this video and also share the video. One love.
We all recall the event that happened at Imezi Owa in Ezagu local government area of Enugu State yesterday, being Friday 8, where some media houses are already trying to blame IPOB and ESN for everything that happened without proper investigation. According to what some people in the community said, two unknown gunmen came into the village to buy something. Security operatives saw them and opened fire. During the exchange, the gunmen allegedly killed the two security personnel and injured some others before escaping. Later, the remaining operatives came back with reinforcements and started burning houses in the community. This is where many people became angry and started asking questions. So now, people's houses have suddenly become IPOB hideouts. How does that even make sense? How on earth will IPOB enter a community in Ezago and begin burning innocent people's house randomly? If unknown gunmen attacked security operatives and ran away, why should innocent villagers suffer for it? This is why many people no longer believe every story pushed by some media platforms anytime something happens in the Southeast. Before any proper investigation is done, they quickly mention IPOB as if they already know the full story. The most painful part is that innocent families are the ones losing their homes and properties. Some people worked for years to build those houses, only for everything to be destroyed within minutes.
Do you know what? Poor people who are poor, they are the reason why people are poor. And poor man, it's a problem of another poor man. Yes. You see, 2027 election is coming. Presidential election. Go to social media. You will see how poor people are bantering themselves, insulting themselves, insulting their family, fighting for no reason. Come to social media to market whoever you are supporting. But instead of poor people to do that, they will be online insulting one another and even willing to carry it out because of political differences. Look at the video I'm showing you. How many political godfathers do you see there? How many of them? Or can you see the way they are working together? Because they are rich. They are not just rich. They are rich people. They are wealthy people. They don't banter the way we do. But poor people, poor and angry people are willing to carry out whatever threat they are making on social media. See different political parties. Obasanjo, our former president, His Excellency. Goodluck Jonathan, our former president, His Excellency. The current governor of Anambra State. And our VP, Shetima, from APC, APUGA, PDP, ADC. Working together, no fight, no insult. But you, poor man, all you do from morning till night, you'll be on TikTok or Twitter, insulting, fighting, looking for who to buy. No, that's not how to do it. Politics is not do or die. Politics is not do or die. Feel free to market your candidate instead of insulting and abusing people online. Tell us what your candidate is capable of doing, not insulting and trying to blackmail other candidates because you disagree with them. This is how politics is supposed to be. It's not do or die. And no one should threaten anyone because of political differences. But remember, poor people are the problem of other poor people. And the poor man is the reason why other poor men are poor. That's just the truth. Let us behave. You don't need to buy anybody. You don't need to go to where political party are doing their things and go and scatter them. You don't need it. You don't need it. If you do that, you are the problem of poor people. And the poor people will continue to be poor because of you. My name is Ibenga, and I'm just peace ambassador.
Fade Bemonso na-eme arenji. Fade Bemonso bụ fake. Fade Bemonso na-eme miracle ọ na plan. Nya bụ the new problem dị n'ala Igbo na. Nya bụ the new issue dị na Nigeria na. Nya na social media niile. The Bemonso na-eme arenji. Ndị niile na-ese Bemonso, ndị na-abịa generation, ndị na-like Fade Bemonso. O nwere esi ngwa ncha niile bụ atụrụ na-enweghị uche. Ncha niile na-amaghị ihe. Ghọtago? So mana biko achọrọ m ịgwa ụmụ atụrụ ibe m ndị na-amaghị ihe, ndị na-ese Bemonso na-enweghị uche. Biko Fade Bemonso nwere 90 days prayer march na on a hold every day online. So this aja page I na-esonye anyị ekpere 90 days prayer march Fade Bemonso na hold for 90 days online now. So biko ụmụ atụrụ ibe m na-ese Fade Bemonso biko every day the active ihe afọ na life ihe afịa na-esonyere ya. So na Fade Bemonso na-eme alenji na fake ka ọ bụ the new problem dị now. Na Nigeria siri ike abụọkwa the problem now. Na Tinubu na-eme the economy ọ na-adị more harder abụrọ the problem now. Na a na-eburusi ụmụnna anyị ndị Igbo na kidnapping abụrọ the problem now. Na enwere more than 3 million Igbo youths no kidney problem abụrọ the problem now. No Bemonso na-eme alenji bụ the new problem. Ọ bụrụ na ite iri na Bemonso na-eme alenji ọ na-eme nke ọ na-agara ya bido your own. The problem with like some of ndị mmadụ the social media space bụ na people na like focus on something na-enweghị isi. People na-ebulu voice na-etinye na ife na-enweghị isi na ọ dị ife na-ama benefit anybody. Bemonso na-eme alenji ọ gbasara gị? Is it your business na Bemonso na-eme alenji? Ikpọ Bemonso ikpọ Mbaka ikpọ Ebuka Obi na-eme alenji ọ gbasara gị? Ife irie na ọ na-alenji ka ha dị ọ na-agalafa bido your own alenji. Ọ dị free. Bemonso jere one village one na Anambra State. Je kpokọta arụsị na dị ebe a suo ya ọkụ. Ịbawa mba na social media. Nwekwa onye mkpọrọ afa. Ị na-aba mba na ọ na-eme alenji na ọ na-esu arụsị ọkụ. Ya o nwere nke si ya bịa mụ aka ka ha malụ ndị amabal. Ya bịa mụ aka ka ha malụ na ọ bụ na ọ feel o nwere ike. Ya bịa mụ aka ka ha malụ. Biko Bemonso jere that village jee gba arụsị ọkụ. Igwe ndị village ama maka ya. The governor ma maka ya. Ndị village a bụ nyere ya license ịbịa that place mee that kind of thing. Mana ndị village ahụ ekwuru okwu. Ọ ngwa kwuru okwu. Okwulu ọla wan ekene gị. ndị obodo ahụ ekwuru okwu ọ ngụ a na-ekwunyelu ha ọnụ fa ebe nwa nsọ na-eme alenji go bido your own alenji bido your ife irie nọ ọ bụrụ na eji jealous ikwuo na eji jealous bido your own alenji ọ na-aga gị fine ọ ga-alọrọ gị fine. Imagine na unu nwere this same voice unu na-eti na ebe nwa nsọ na-eme alenji wee na-etinye ya on the issue of kidney problem n'ala Igbo, wee na-etinye on the issue of kidnapping n'ala Igbo, wee na-etinye on the issue of poverty dị n'ala Igbo now. Merụ na 70% of Igbo youths enweghị ihe ha na-alụ. Igbo land would have been better by now. Now ịchọ onye ya attack, that is the problem with my people. Every time anyị na-achọ onye ya bring it down, every time anyị na-achọ ofu onye ya ewoda ka anyị make sure na the person adago, I were dey happy. Jesus Christ bụ scam, ọ gbasalọ gị. If you no scam, you have right to go and do whatever you want by yourself. So isi kpọọ ya febe ya. Jesus Christ bụ arụsị ndị ọcha, no problem. Anyị nwa like ri arụsị ndị ọcha ahụ otu a. Anyị alike ka arụsị ndị ọcha, ọ na-atọ anyị ụtọ. Hapụla anyị ya like that. Na anyị bụ ndị eriri eri. Hapụ ya otu a, like m ịbụ onye eriri eri. Alọbụ m onye eriri, achọrọ m ịbụ onye eriri eri. Leave me alone. Olu this same voice unje attack ebe mmụọ nsọ tinye na maintenance ekwesịghị itinye ya n'ala Igbo. Unu asị no ndị ame ọ ga-akwasịgo m unu ya, onwere onye mkpọrọ afọ mana a word is enough for the wise. A word is to go for the wise. Hapụ na ebe mmụọ nsọ aka, hapụ na Fada Mbaka aka, hapụ na Ebuka Obi aka. Ife ire na ihe ha na-eme nọ ndị mmadụ ka ha na-awọrị, ọ mmadụ ka ha bụ, ndị a na-awọrị bụ mmadụ ka ha bụ. Chineke nyefe uche. Nefe akọ ịma difference between right and wrong. Imam force mmadụ ịhapụ ihe ọ na-eme. Day your day, stay on your lane. Biko ụmụ atụrụ ibe m na-eso Fada ebe mmụọ nsọ, sitakwa the 90 days prayer every day online. God is our strength.
Good evening, lovers of freedom. Good evening, Biafrans. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate President Donald J. Trump, the President of the United States of America. Sir, we are grateful. I am grateful for your tenacity, for your boldness, and for your strength in taking the bull by the horn, in trying to make this world a better place by simply taking out the terrorist sponsors. Sir, we are grateful. We continue to pray for God's protection upon your life and that of your family. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Sir, I would also want to use this opportunity to ask a pertinent question. Are the atrocities committed by the Nigerian state against her citizens, terrorizing her citizens, kidnapping her citizens and killing her citizens, are they not enough reasons for Nigeria to be balkanized and for the emerging nations subjugated in Nigeria to be recognized by the world at large? I plead that you and your allies, the allies of United States of America, which includes Israel and Canada and all the rest of the others, to recognize Biafra. Nigeria is due for balkanization. The atrocities they commit against their citizens are so much. And I will also want to use this opportunity to appreciate the judge in Canada who boldly designated APC and PDP as terrorist organization. Thank you for your boldness. Thank you for standing in the truth. But I would love to let you know, for you to kindly note, that APC is the ruling party in Nigeria, and that party is a terrorist organization as you designated it. But remember, this party is in charge of Nigeria. Invariably, Nigeria is a terrorist organization or a terrorist country, as you may decide to put it. So do well to do the needful and recognize Biafra as an emerging nation in Nigeria, because Biafrans are being killed on a daily basis. They are being subjugated in Nigeria. There are other emerging nations that in the world, but Biafra needs to be recognized as well. Thank you for all the good works you're doing. I pray that God will bless Canada, God will bless United States of America, especially President Donald J. Trump, who took the bold step of trying to get the world rid of terrorism. Thank you, Donald Trump. Thank you. God will continue to bless you. Thank you, the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu. Do well to also ask the allies of the United States of America to recognize Biafra, to balkanize Nigeria. Nigeria is due for division. When you divide Nigeria, you save more lives. Let me give you an instance. If you have a tuber of yam and part of it is spoiled, are you going to let the whole yam to go bad, either other than cutting off the bad parts? When you divide Nigeria, you save more lives. Please, the world, we are pleading, we are asking that you recognize Biafra and divide Nigeria to save more lives. The killing is an everyday thing. Terrorists are all over the places. Terrorists are no longer hiding themselves. They come in the social media, they brandish their weapons, their weaponry and everything, terrorizing Nigerians, the citizens of that country. Save Nigeria by dividing Nigeria. Thank you and God bless you.